Hi guys, how you doing? Debbie here. Thanks for visiting. So today I'm going to do my version of a fracture card. I'm going to start with, excuse me, this beautiful paper here, the flowers and the butterflies. This is from Chloe's Creative Cards, and it's the Fabulous Florals Flutters. I'll just give you a quick. What I like about this is every one of them on the back has got a coordinating colour. Anyway, so that's what we're using. I've cut myself a base, 5x7 base. I've done it in Sizzix shimmery paper. And then I'll put these measurements on screen for you as well. I've cut myself a blank piece of card. That is 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. Then I've cut the designer paper the same size. Then out of the card-based cardstock, I've cut 2 squares, one at 2 3/4 and one at 2.5 square. And then out of the florals paper, I've just cut 4 1-inch strips. There's the pattern on the back, and we're going to use this side. Okay, so we can put the base to one side for a minute because we're not using that right this second. Now first, I'm going to glue this onto this piece of card. Excuse me, frog in my throat. I'll put that onto there and then just line it up. I'm going to be embossing this as well. I'll show you the embossing folder I'm using when we get to that part. And just give it a press down just to make sure. Now, you need your bigger size of your square. Put that one to one side for a second. And we need to get this as central as we possibly can. So, now this is going to be flat on the card. That looks good to me. So, same again. Let's glue that down. You can do this. You just have it that way if you wanted to, but I think the diamond looks nicer. Okay. That looks pretty central to me. Maybe over a slight smidgen that way. Okay. Same again. Push it down. Just let it dry for a sec. And then we're going to put our 1-inch strips on. Now I find it easy if I lay that one across. Don't glue anything yet. Just lay it across so you've got your straight edge. And get your next piece. And work out roughly how much you're going to need gluing. So probably till about there. And then just put your glue on this strip. And then line that up with your straight edge that you're using there on this bit of card here. And glue it down. Okay, now we're going to do the same with the next strip. So just measure where you need to put your glue. roughly around there, mainly because I don't want to be cutting into the wet glue. And there's no point in gluing it on when you're not going to be using it. Okay, and then same with this one. Line it up to that one and the side of your square or triangle. Make sure it's all in place. Leave that to dry. Grab the next one. Same again. How do you make your fractured cards if you've made them? I do know people chop all these bits out, and no, I prefer this way. It's a lot easier. Very quick and very easy. Last one. And this one has to come all the way over there. Want to do the same again. And then last one to line up. Line it up. Push it into place. A bit of sack for the ink. That's the ink. Ink on the brain for the glue to dry. Okay, so that's that bit. Next, you need to grab yourself your scissors. These are awesome scissors. Siska, they were off Anne Melvin, Positively Papercraft, when she had a website going. I ordered them from England. I ordered 2 pairs and they are absolutely brilliant. So hopefully she starts a website again soon. I've got quite a few things up her site. Okay, oops. So she trims a bit more than she should. Never mind. Can't tell. Okay, so just trim your bits off. Right, next what I want to do before I do anything else is put it through an embossing folder. I've got this 3D one, which is by Sam Calcott, I believe. So I'm just going to put it in. And line it up where you want your pattern to go. And I'm just going to quickly run it through. Okay. So there's that bit. That looks lovely. I also, what that does is push all these papers into one, so it looks like it's actually one piece of paper when it isn't. Okay. Yes, we need to do the stamp. Okay, so put that to the side. Now I've got my 2.5 by 2.5 inch piece. Now this needs to be lined up pretty much with that. I'm going to use, again, this is Made to Surprise by Sam Calcott. This is Floral Surprise Stamp and Die set. I'm just going to use the Happy Birthday. So, I've used this before, so it should be fine. Line it up. Now, with this card, I'm going to use StazOn in Jet Black. Mainly because I need it to dry pretty quickly, because it's the glittery paper. It's not just plain card. Okay. And then just stamp your stamp. There we go. That'll do. Just quickly give that a wipe so it doesn't go everywhere. And then your StazOn, unless you've got the StazOn cleaner, it does stain, but it doesn't do any damage. But you can still use it. Okay, so let's take that out of there and put that away. Now I'm going to put this up on foam pads. So let's just put our foam on. And we need to line this up on our triangle. Okay. And I'm going to put this on a card base. I'm going to put this on with double-sided. You need to line this up without a dog's hairs. Jockey. Push down. Make sure it's all adhered. And then last but not least, I've got my gems. And I think these purple ones are just perfect. Can you see? I don't think you can see it very clearly. What I might do actually is put some little white ones just along the bottom there. I think that'll look nice. Just get another one. We've got 3. Look around so I can see what I'm doing. These are beautiful, these gems, lots of different colours. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, let's get these stuck down. And this is where it becomes complicated because I have to do it left and right handed. And there you have it, guys. My take on a fractured card. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments, and if you could please give us a thumbs up, a like, share, subscribe. That would be awesome. Helps me keep going and keep making awesome things for you. Okay guys, catch you soon. Bye.